give the opportunity for one more person to fulfill their goal for the year. Jessica.
Hi.
Hey, Jessica.
Hi, Jessica.
How are you?
Is it real? I'm sorry. Oh my God. Hi, Jon and Missy.
Hi, how are you?
Hi, I'm doing good. I'm from Indonesia.
Where?
Sumatra.
Sumatra. Oh, wow.
Yeah, I first watched LIFEBOOK on YouTube from Mind Valley. I only listened for 1 hour, and then it has changed my mindset so much. Like sometimes I work until 10 p.m. Seeking for money, as you know, the bar for success is about money, how much money you get. And then when I joined the LIFEBOOK, and you showed me that there are also 12 categories, and your life is not only about one category. And then you're very right that we often do things and chase something because of the society taught us to do without even us realizing it. Like successful means that you have this kind of money. Successful means that you do this and do this, that you. Then when I joined the LIFEBOOK, I realized lots that there is also healthy, and then what do you desire, and you took time really, you know, like you really deeply try to find what is your purpose in your life, in healthy, in family life, etc. Then it changed me a lot, and I'm very happy that I found LIFEBOOK, and then this is like talking with you. It's like thank you so much. Yeah, you really do have that big impacts, and I mean it. Gitu. That's real. That's real.
I will tell you, Sumatra has been on top of our list for a long time. We've been all from top to bottom, but we've never been to Sumatra. So we'll let you know.
Oh, really? I'm in Bandar Lampung. You might visit one day, and then I think it changed me so much about the purpose in life. About it's not all about like at first, like I think that it's about money and success. That now I feel that health also very important, and then my happiness, like traveling, is also very important in my life, etc. And I think all of the LIFEBOOK members also found the same. And then the purpose you taught us to find the purpose give so much energy to do the goals. And by just joining your LIFEBOOK mastery, I've lost actually about 6 pounds only, like that.
Oh, that's wonderful.
I learned from health and fitness, etc. It gives me so much, purpose, like that.
That's amazing.
Yeah, thank you so much. Yeah, stay safe, Jon and Missy. I'm very happy. Like, is it even real? Like, I'm talking to you guys. Stay safe, okay?
So nice to talk to you.
Best wishes for 2021. I hope next year is your best year ever.
It will be.
Right. Yeah. Thank you so much.
Thank you,
guys. I really owe you. Love you so much. Bye. Stay safe.
Thank you very much. That was a very wonderful share. So I love this particular